Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up Google on your PlayStation 5 Pro. And this is very simple to do. So let's go on over to Settings. Scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Go on down to Link Services and go to the right and go to YouTube. And make sure you have this on linked. And then go to Link. And go down to Use Browser. Now under here, we're going to see this page. Go down to Terms. When this loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And there will be an option for Google search. So let's scroll on down. Here's Google. Down here now. And then just press X on it. And we can go to google.com. And here we are at google.com. Just type in what you want now. So we can type in like Bing. Press R2. Go to search. And you might have to like verify that you're not a robot and do this. So we can just select the motorcycle now. So it takes a little bit of time. But if you're very desperate, you can definitely use the web browser still. So let's just do stairs. I don't see any stairs in here. So let's go to skip. And then do crosswalks. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.